For the best price, click the link in the description /N. Are you tired of using a phone case that's just a fancy piece of plastic /N? But here's what surprised me when I got my hands on the Nomad Base One Max. It's not just a case but an ecosystem for your phone /N. Therefore, if you're still using a regular phone case or are in the market for one, stay tuned because this review is going to blow your mind. Rehook. Think about how much you spend on phone accessories every year. Do you really need another boring case that's just going to get scratched and damaged? Deep dive. The Nomad Base One Max is an ultra-thin case that provides maximum protection for your phone /N. But what makes it truly unique is its ability to transform into a wireless charging pad, a stand, or even a camera stabilizer using the built-in magnets /N. Therefore, with this one device, you can have all these functions at your fingertips. Rehook, can you imagine being able to watch videos on your phone without having to hold it up the whole time, or taking stunning photos without worrying about shaking the camera? Resolution. But don't just take my word for it, let's dive deeper into what makes this case so special /N. The Nomad Base One Max is made from high-quality materials that are designed to last /N. It provides excellent shock absorption, scratch resistance, and even has a raised bezel around the camera lens for added protection. Rehook, what if I told you that this case also supports wireless charging and can be used as a portable charger when paired with Nomad's power bank? Conclusion. The Nomad Base One Max is not just a phone case, it's an all-in-one accessory that will change the way you use your phone /N. For the best price, click the link in the description to get yours today.